Hey everyone, I'm back with another swatch video, this time from K Beauty. So I've got 8 shades from them that I received in PR just a few days ago, and these have now officially launched on NYKAA. Basically, the launch was on 20th November, and I'm a little late in uploading this video because I was trying out these lipsticks, was checking their wear time and whatnot. But I must say that these lipsticks have by far outnumbered a lot of matte lipsticks, basically matte bullet lipsticks that I've tried in the past. Now, why do I say so? We'll talk about that as we swatch every single shade out of these 8. But first, let's talk about the packaging. It's the standard K Beauty packaging. I had underestimated this brand so much. These lipsticks are practically my first purchase, or rather, my first try from this brand. I really look forward to try their gel kajal and few other things as well, like their color correctors. But trust me guys, I always thought that this is another Me Too brand. This is not going to do anything like phenomenally different. There are a ton of such beauty brands out there. What's so great about K? But when I tried their matte bullet lipsticks, my opinion really changed, and now I'm super excited to try out all of their other products. These lipsticks come in a cardboard packaging like this. The packaging itself is of really good quality. It's quite sturdy and very informative also. These lipsticks are called Matte Drama Matte Lipsticks. They are enriched with grapeseed oil and red raspberry. So this is the bullet. They're all color coded, so you cannot really get lost while searching out the shade that you like. This golden cap comes with a magnetic closure which makes it look so luxurious. Love the packaging. The lipsticks have a very different shape. The bullet here is shaped in a way that it's slightly curved in the middle, and it hugs your lips perfectly and gives you the best performance, especially around the cupid's bow area. Now we'll get into the swatches. I'll show you both hand swatches and lip swatches one by one. Stay tuned. My favorite shade from this range of 18 different shades is called Suspense. It's my favorite go-to shade these days. It's my perfect MLBB lip color, and this is the color-coded packaging. This is the hand swatch. Not very perfect, but this is how it looks in me, and this is how it appears in the bullet. Let's check out others now. The next shade is called Snapshot, and it will suit every single person out there with fair to medium skin tone, and it can be a perfect nude for most of you out there if you are of my skin tone. So this is how it looks in the bullet and on me. This is slightly lighter as compared to Suspense, but nonetheless I love them both. Moving on to slightly earthy undertoned lipsticks. The next one is called Thriller, and this is how it looks on me. I'm in love with this 90s trend of wearing browns, and it's been making a comeback since quite some months now. Absolutely love how this shade looks on me, and as you can see, I've quite messed up with this bullet because I've been using it on and off. But this is how it looks on me. And this is how the next shade Dialogue looks in me. This is the bullet, and this is the inside. It's slightly warmer toned brown than the previous one, but nonetheless this is also a great shade for anybody with beatish to medium dark skin tones. The next shade called Box Office is a very beautiful, slightly berry toned brown. It is going to suit a lot of people with beatish to dark skin tones. I'm not sure if this is the shade for people with lighter skin like mine. I personally do not really like this shade for myself. It just doesn't flatter me, and so hence I usually go ahead with just a light dab of this, which is something that I'm wearing right now. So this is just a very light-handed dab of this lipstick. Now moving on to the reds. This is how their cult favorite red lipstick looks on me. Yes, this lipstick is already a big hit amongst a lot of lipstick lovers, and you can see why. It's a very warm tone, beautiful looking red. which is personally looking a little off to me right now because of the top that I'm wearing, but I'm sure this color is going to look stunning with a black outfit. This is how it looks on the bullet, and this is how it looks on me. The next shade is called Retro. It's a beautiful burgundy and red mix. It is slightly cool toned, and I think it's going to flatter most Indian skin tones very well. Personally, for me, this is more of a nighttime outing kind of a shade. I doubt if I'm going to be wearing this during the daytime, but absolutely love this shade, and I'm probably just going to give this off to my mom. The last shade is called Super Hit, and I absolutely love how this literally brightens up my face with just one dab of it. This is how the lipstick looks from the outside. It looks slightly red, but it turns out to be fairly fuchsia on my lips. And I think this is going to be my second most favorite out of the 8 shades that I've received, and I definitely plan to try out the rest 10. Now these lipsticks are super matte, yet they're very convenient to apply. They don't tug or pull your lips. They're super long lasting, but of course if you go ahead and have an oily meal, don't forget to reapply them. But having said that, they're very luxurious in their feel, and I think for rupees 999 these lipsticks are a great deal because the bullet is quite big and a very light dab also does its job because these are super duper pigmented. So thank you, Katrina, for launching these lipsticks. I can now understand why these were so awaited by all the makeup fans out there. Highly recommend these lipsticks, guys. Go check them out. I'm going to be linking them down in the description box below. Use the link and go directly to figure out what these lipsticks are like, what the shades are like, and go ahead, take your pick. See you next time. Stay tuned. Bye.